y después vamos. Y lo llevé allá a la plaza.
Hey, what's up, dorks? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm accompanied by none other than my dad, and we're back at it again with those white vans. Let me tell you, today we're gonna be in a little different area. Normally we're in my stinky old dirty old room, but today you can tell it's a little more sunny. There's no room, and I'm still dying. So here to introduce this new grill we got is my dad. Take it away, dude.
That's right, folks. Today we're going to be reviewing the Century 885 Traeger grill smoker with a wire fire technology.
Oh yeah? Well, not only that, but it also comes with 885 square inches of grilling and smoking of area. And then you can't forget it's also equipped with 20 pounds of pellet capacity hopper.
That's nice. That's nice. What are we going to do with this puppy? A lot of fun memories here, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna forget that. Well, I'm not gonna forget that Brinkman, dude. But with that being said, I think we're gonna be able to complement the Brinkman with this bad boy, giving us a little more taste in the grill. You know what I'm saying?
That's right. That's right.
Well,
Yeah.
let's get to unboxing this bad boy. Hey, dog, what I'm thinking about?
Get it done.
Let's get her done. Let's get her done. You ready, broski? Ooh. That's right. Damn, look at the presentation on this bad boy, dude. And look, they got a little beer holder for you boys.
Hey, not bad at all. That looks
Not
nice.
bad.
That's motivating, right?
Me doing this.
Hey,
It looks really nice. Look at that.
look at this. I didn't know it was going to be this nice inside.
You got the camera to this, dude. Look at this.
Man, they should have put that on the outside.
Right? I would have easily got
Man, I would have just kept that forever. Wow, not too bad for my Father's Day present, right? Wow, look
Not
at
too
this.
shabby, dude. Not too shabby.
Wow.
Oy,
I think you need to do a little close-up here, buddy.
Uy, 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 uy.
See what we're dealing here with.
Fire, no. Where's the camera?
Más costillitas.
there you have it, folks. Take a look at this beauty, right?
There it is. You know, you can't go wrong. $500 off. Traeger guy threw in a cover, some spices, a couple cooking books.
Thermometer, a little prod.
Hey, you know, I guess next thing is to try it out and give a review on how it comes out, right?
Yeah, can't wait to throw on some meat on that bad boy, you know what I'm saying? Maybe put a little pizza down here.
Grilled cheese sandwiches on the bottom.
You know it, dude. There's only one thing left to do. Just put some of that palate on there.
There you go. All right.
Thing to do.
We'll do it, big boy.
With pleasure, young man.
Esa con el puro calor de la luz.
Man, she's smelling pretty
Va a
good.
soltar.
Let me tell you. So guys, there you have it. You can see it all right here. It looks pretty beautiful. Can't wait to show you guys how it cooks though. Next time.
Yeah, stay tuned for some grilling, smoking, and baking.
We'll go over there again.
Can't wait.
See you there. Hey, wait, what up, dude? Hey, they actually come with stickers this time.
All right.
That beats Apple, dog.